right, so for this test, I will use these two batteries. I'm sure I can get away with the 4 amp hours. This thing doesn't seem to eat up much juice at all. So in order to get this started, you have to hold this button down, and then you pull this thing, and there we go, turn it on. Here we go, this is a one-handed operation. Take one. Keep in mind, this snow is very heavy. It's wet, it's icy, it's getting to become a wintry mix, so I'm going to clear a few more rows and we'll see how this goes. Let's see when I get into the much larger, at least portion of it. All right. All good thus so far. Yeah, I think I'm probably going to turn the chute and focus left for now because it seems to be going back in the same path. Just a little bit to the left, but yeah, let's see how this goes. Up, down. Seems to shoot the snow at least 20 feet. I have a pretty sizable driveway, which I'm not going to cover. Doesn't make sense, but I can show you from my Ring camera if you're interested. Watch me clear that. So, almost to the point of no return. Mind, this is still a one-handed operation, so I mean, I'm a large guy, over 200 pounds. If you were male, female, smaller stature, probably can do this with 2 hands, but much more maneuverable than my 300 plus pound Tecumseh 30-incher I have sitting in the garage. Alright, we're going to start to eat away into the thicker stuff. Let's see how this goes. Alright, all is well thus so far. It's 3 minutes in, and look how much I've done. So, to give you an estimation, I'm probably going to do the entire driveway in about 40 minutes. And this is the last pass I will record. So you see, highly productive, efficient, effective, and moment of truth. Here we go, baby. More effort required. A little bit slower. I got a little stuck towards the end. Probably had to use 2 hands, but you get the gist. Towards the end, you're about 4 to 5 inches. So, yeah, I mean, going to be using your best judgment. However, this thing kicked ass thus so far. Very happy with the results, and be back with more later.